Hello, what's your name?
Jonas T. Pasto.
And how old are you?
9.
When is your birthday?
July 20.
Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Gamer.
Why? Why you want to be a gamer?
Para mayaman.
Mayaman?
Oh, tita, marami kang views. 600,000 views. Pwede ka mag pera. May pera.
Kailangan marami kang followers.
Hindi yung followers, hindi yung views. Viewers, audience.
Kaya nga, para magkaroon ka ng views, kailangan i-follow ka nila. Pero okay lang kahit hindi ka nila i-follow. And why are you here?
Ha?
Why are you here in my room?
Para magpalamig at hindi yung cellphone.
Kaninong cellphone ang gusto mong gamitin?
Hindi.
Kaninong cellphone?
Hindi.
Ano kanino ang cellphone ang gusto mong gamitin?
Mag-day up ako sa cellphone ni Tito sa'yo. Tapos pag hindi mo ako pinahiram kay Tito.
No, you can't borrow my phone. Paano daw yung pogi pose?
Ganun.
Okay.